Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to set up and use a Tesla key fob for your vehicle. And I'll also post a link to the Tesla shop so you know where to find those. I'll post that down in the video description. But what we want to do is set up the key fob. So to do this, we're going to open up the menu of our vehicle by clicking on the icon of the car in the bottom left-hand corner. And then in our menu, what we want to do is click on where it says locks, select that, and then we want to add a key. We're going to be adding a key fob, so we're going to scan the new key behind the cup holder to begin. So I'm going to take the key fob and I'm going to scan it behind the cup holders. And once you successfully do that, it then says tap an existing key card to approve the pairing. So I'm going to take a key card that I already have, putting it behind the cup holder. We get a green check mark. So now we're all set and ready to go with our key fob set up with our vehicle. So this key fob has 3 buttons. It has one in the front, one in the middle, and one in the back. To lock your doors, what you're going to do is single press on the middle button, and that will lock your doors. To unlock them, it's a double press on that middle button. And then to open the frunk, it's a double click on the front button, and that will pop open your frunk. To open your trunk, it's a double click on the back button. So we can see it automatically open with a double click, and then to close it, it's also a double press on that back button, and then it will automatically close. You can also hold down the back button for a handful of seconds, and it will pop open your charge port door. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going through the steps on how to set up your Tesla key fob, and then the different functions that you can use to lock, unlock your doors, open up your frunk, open and close the trunk, as well as the charge port door. And I'll post a link to where you can get this down in the description from the Tesla shop.